Okay, I'm looking at the question and I'm wondering, what do you do with this? And I'm going to point out that what happens to a lot of students is they look at things and say, oh, I can't do that. And I'm going to say it's related to something you do know. And I'll write this over here, 1 over t dt. And this is going to be the natural log of the absolute value of t plus some constant of integration. Right, so I'm looking at this over here, and I want to just simply say if I can do that. And I'm thinking this looks like 1 over something, right? So what are you going to get? Ln, absolute value of 6t plus 2. Unfortunately, when I differentiate that, I do get 1 over 6t plus 2, but then times 6, right? Because I use the chain rule. So I have to get rid of that by dividing it away, all right? So if you differentiate that, you can get 1 over 6t plus 2, all right? So what I'm going to do now is just the limits of integration. I'm not going to put the c down because this is a definite integral. And what's that go from? 3 up to root x. Let's put that down. What are you going to get? The natural log. Well, I think I could move the absolute value. I'll tell you why. 6 root x plus 2 is always going to be positive. So I'll write this in parentheses. 6 root x plus 2 over 6 minus the lower limit. Well, that's going to be natural log. It's still over 6, by the way. And what do you get there? I'm going to be careful here, don't I? So it's going to be 3. So 6 times 3 is 18. And 18 plus 2 is 20. Right, what I'm going to do over here, I'm going to continue to massage the problem because I don't like the way it looks. I'm going to factor out 1/6. And what do you get? It's going to be times, the natural log of 6 root x plus 2 minus the natural log of 20. And I'm looking at that, and I'm going to just massage that a little more because I got rules of logs here. So it's natural log of 6 root x plus 2 divided by 20. And I'm going to reduce that now. Let me put that down for you. It's going to be 1/6 natural log. I'm going to reduce it by a factor of 2. This would be 10. This would be 3 root x plus 1. Final answer. Let's look at the key, though, and see if they got their final answer. What did they get? 1/6. I do see that. The natural log. I do see 3x plus 1, and I do see the 10. By the way, I do also see the enter drift down and the evaluations as well. What I'm not seeing is the work or the talk through the work. Thank you.